butt, but then hey, maybe.
You're being such a douche.
Oh, you're
Why are you
douche.
being such a douche?
Because I don't want to. I don't know.
You're being a fucking douche.
All right, well, get back in the
Oh
hot
my God! Get off of
I'm
it.
riding with you.
I live here.
No, I'm riding with you to fucking camp.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
Jesus
Then if it-
fucking Christ!
Hey, whoa. You're fine. Relax.
What time are you leaving?
Do it,
Why are you being
Everybody,
so
do it,
bad?
Gypsy. Everybody's meeting at Evans and then peace out from there, I think. Isn't that the plan? That's what I heard the plan was. I'm still debated. I got invited, but I'm debated.
Hey, your middle toe is long. That means you're the dominant person in a relationship. That's because so is mine. That means I'm calling the shots.
I'm calling the shot.
I fire my
I'm
toenails.
calling the shot.
I fire my toenails to a
She's
point.
calling the shots while her pants are unbuttoned and
I fire my toenails to a
You
point
are
so I can
fucking
stab
done.
people.
Ouch. Don't listen to you. What?
Why you're poking me?
What?
Yeah.
And then what?
But I don't got a thong on. I don't know
What
your
you
point.
do?
I don't
What you
understand your
do? What
point.
you do?
I'm
What?
not gonna do anything
What?
to you because your
What?
pants are fucking unbuttoned and unzipped.
No.
You're looking great in front of everybody here right now. Just show up,
Fucking
just
dick.
doing your
You
show.
are such a douche.
Yeah?
Do it then.
Do
it.
what?
Do it.
What?
Do it.
Sorry,
Do
you're
it.
spitting in my face. Do it. Do it. Do it.
No, I'm
do
not spitting
what?
in your face.
Yeah, actually, I feel a drop on my eye right now. Right here. Right here.
Please.
No, naked.
Spit all the time.
Thank you,
Little white guy. Boobs.
Boobs.
Bet you won't show your boobs.
Show him the boobs. He didn't get to see it because he turned around. He turned around like a little bitch. Show
I
him the
did
tit.
see it. I did see the show. All 4 times of it, actually.
Who cares?
Huh? I don't care. I appreciate tits. Not gonna lie. I love tits. But I'm just saying.
Why are you guys being
Another show.
No, I'm not being nasty at all. You're being nasty to me, so I'm gonna be nasty to you. I'm just
I just fucking with it.
I got it. Just fucking